Hey guys, this is the finish of my hair. I bleached the knots and I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, but this is how the lace turned out. I'm gonna clean all that up a little bit. And this, what lace, bitch? Well, I'm gonna glue that down a little bit. My bad. But what lace, bitch? Bitch, what lace? What lace wear? And I decided to do a little honey blonde at the base. Just to give it a little, I guess, a little something. But bitch, what lace? What lace, honey? What lace, bitch? Bitch, what lace? Lace where? No, huh? Huh? I can't hear you. What lace, bitch? What lace? Okay, okay. We laid, honey. We laid. We laid, honey. Laid, baby. We're laid. You hear me? We are laid. Laid, baby. Laid. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You know I gotta pause a little bit for y'all before I get up off here. So yeah. I don't know. Bye.